In this video, I'll show you how to host an event on Facebook using the app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. In the menu, look for the Events option and tap on it. After the Events page opens, tap the Create or Create Event button. Now you'll need to choose the type of event you want to create. You can select Private Event if you only want invited people to see it, or Public Event if you want anyone to find and join it. Next, enter the event details. Add the event name, choose the date and time, and add the location if it's happening in person. You can also add a short description to explain what the event is about. After that, you can upload a cover photo to make your event look more attractive. Once everything is filled in, review the details and tap Create Event. Your event will now be published, and you can start inviting friends by tapping the Invite button on the event page. People you invite will receive a notification and can respond to your event. That's how you can easily host an event on Facebook using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.